Amazon makes $1,400 every single second. But what if it never existed? The answer will change how you see the entire economy. 1994. Jeff Bezos quits his Wall Street job to sell books online. Everyone laughed. His own father thought he was crazy. Without Amazon, Walmart rules everything. Prices stay high. Small town stores survive. But you wait weeks for any delivery. Netflix? Dead. Spotify? Never scaled. Disney Plus? Impossible. Without Amazon Web Services, half the internet simply doesn't exist. 1.5 million small businesses sell on Amazon today. Without it, they vanish. No platform, no customers, no income, but malls, alive, bookstores, packed, local shops, thriving. Without Amazon destroying retail, your city looks completely different. Amazon employs 1.5 million workers worldwide. Without it, those jobs never exist. But 600,000 retail workers keep theirs instead. AI revolution? Delayed by 10 years. Amazon's cloud powered the AI boom. No AWS, no ChatGPT, no Tesla autopilot, no modern AI. Jeff Bezos, the world's richest man, simply doesn't exist. That $200 billion fortune? Gone. Space company Blue Origin? Never launched. Amazon didn't just sell products. It built the internet we live on. One company, one garage, one crazy idea changed everything. Subscribe to What If Rich.